You have entrusted us with the stewardship of the books you have given us. May we share the services that we and use our talents and gifts for the spread of the kingdom of others. Sa bawat pananaligan sa lupong ninyo, Father, help us to be your faithful servants.
Father, help us to be your faithful stewards.
Religious ministers, use the gift of ordination to serve your people as excellent dispensers of your many graces, we pray.
Father, help us to be your faithful stewards.
May our national and local leaders exercise their authority with humility and sense of justice, so that people may live quiet and tranquil lives in all devotion and dignity, we pray.
Father,